We have some big news.
Yes, we do.
So make sure you watch this entire video. Ready for a drum roll? Ta-da!
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 Beach Tribe.
Mountain Tribe.
Hey, move your hand out of the way.
Hey, what are you talking about?
Beach Tribe.
No, Mountain Tribe.
Hashtag Beach Tribe.
That's right. We have a brand new t-shirts available right now for a very limited time.
10 days.
Yes.
Yes.
And you can actually order yours right now. The limited edition Enjoy the Journey Mountain Tribe or Beach Tribe t-shirts. The official competition is on right now.
Yes, and we have somewhere we want you to wear them.
Yes, we do. We're going to tell you more about that in a little bit here. But let me give you the ordering instructions. There's going to be links below and also on the companion blog post that you can order yours.
So last time, Beach Tribe won.
But come on, Mountain Tribe, you got to come out for me, and we got to get the Beach Tribe this time.
My tribe, yes. You guys are awesome.
Totally. So these sales end on January 15th, 12 a.m. Eastern Time, midnight.
Eastern Time.
So right.
Yep.
Just 10 days to order. And actually, Brian, that we ran into at an RV park.
Yes, at the dump station of all places.
Right. And actually, not the Brian you might be thinking of from our RV deal that went bad.
No.
No, actually Brian Adams.
Yes, Brian Adams. No, not the Brian Adams that you think it is.
Not the Brian Adams that you're thinking of. You know,
but his name is
Summer of
Brian
69.
Adams. Yeah, Summer of 69.
Played it till my fingers bled. Was the summer of 69. Right. Yeah, he's a fellow full-time RVer from Life Reimagined.
Right.
And we ran into him at a dump station, of all places.
In Charleston, South Carolina.
Right. And he actually employs stay-at-home moms to run his printing presses. So instead of going with a big company this time, we're actually going with a small company that is going to make a difference for his employees.
Yes.
So we're really happy about that. And actually, we really like these shirts.
Right. He had a sample one on himself, and we really like the materials of it. It feels really good.
Yeah.
It's a tri-blend. I don't know. It probably says it on his website, all the details. But yeah, we really like these shirts, and we designed these for ourselves.
Right.
And we hope you like them too. I'm super excited about them. This actually has like a shimmer to it, which yours reminds me of like the stars, and mine reminds me of like the shimmer of the ocean.
Yeah, super cool. So we hope everyone out there will order one of these or several of them. Get them for gifts or for your friends and family. And let's
talk about the event.
You keep wanting to jump to the event.
I know, I'm excited.
So on January 15th, the sales will close and they will be sent within 4 or 5 days, first class. You should get them.
With tracking.
Right.
Yes.
So when you order, make sure you put down in the comments below or on Instagram and Facebook, hashtag Beach Tribe.
Hashtag Beach Tribe.
Actually, no, hashtag Mountain Tribe that you ordered, so we know that you ordered yours and they're on their way.
So are you on the Mountain Tribe or the Beach Tribe? Which one?
And you know what? If you're on both, get one of each. Why not?
Right, yeah. And for those of you that don't know, and from our last year videos, that we did this before with different designs, and Tom is a mountain guy, I'm a beach girl, and so we spend a lot of time in the mountains and the beaches. And
perfect for RV life.
Perfect for RV life.
Yeah, because you can spend as much time as you want in each.
I love the mountains too, but Beach Tribe. Beach Tribe. So can we talk about the event now, please?
Yes, let's talk about the event. We have a big meetup coming up here on January 25th in the Tampa Bay area.
Right, in Clearwater, Florida.
Right, 3 o'clock in the afternoon at Coachman Park. We have actually several things going on. You can just meet up with us. We hope you'll bring your Beach Tribe or Mountain Tribe shirt.
Right, we planned this so you had time to order your shirts and have them in time to travel down here, or if you're already here, perfect. But everybody wear their shirts, and we're gonna see how many people show up in which shirt.
Yeah, we're gonna have a big group picture, maybe take the drone up if we can.
You looked and you can take the drone up, right?
Yes, it looks good to go.
Yes.
But
cool, that would be cool.
Yeah.
That'd be cool to have like a big drone shot.
Totally cool.
Yeah, of everybody in their shirts. Woo.
And we hope to see as many of you as possible come out and join us if you can make it down here, or if you're already in the area. We are actually going to do something very special together. Besides just hanging out and getting to know each other, we are going to either run or walk a 5K race that's actually going to take us up on the bridge overlooking the sunset.
At sunset.
Yes. Yeah, the race is at 5:30. And again, you can run or walk it, and participation in the race is actually separate from our meetup, so it's totally optional.
We'll include links to that below.
So if you register for the race, make sure under the group name, and the 5K registration is way down on the page, so there's like a marathon there and some other races. You can certainly, you're more than welcome to race those. There's actually a combination where you can run a marathon and the 5K.
Which one are you doing?
The 5K.
I'll probably walk the 5K if you want to walk with me. I might do a little run-in, but we'll see.
But you can join either the Beach Tribe group or the Mountain Tribe group. Let's see how many we can get to actually sign up under each one. So under the group name, just put Beach Tribe or Mountain Tribe.
Beach Tribe.
And come on, Mountain Tribe. You're all used to hiking, so let's get a bunch of you out there.
Beach Tribe won last time on this contest, so we'll see how we do this time.
So we need to correct that mistake from last year.
Good luck. At the event, we're also doing a huge giveaway.
We've got thousands of dollars worth of RV stuff to give away, gadgets like batteries.
And solar panels.
Lights. And these are from our partners that send us stuff, and they sometimes send us extra.
Right.
So we get to give those away to you guys.
While we're hanging out, we're going to have music and food.
And there's drinks available in the park. Actually, I heard there was free massages as well.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's for
I'd come out just for that.
Yeah, race participants.
So it may be really sunny out there, so be sure to bring your sunscreen, umbrellas, chairs, whatever it is you may need. And don't forget to wear your t-shirts for the big group photo. Hopefully we're gonna have one where we can take the drone up and get a great group photo.
Absolutely. And if you are coming, make sure you comment down below that you're coming so we get an idea of how many of you we're going to see out there.
And don't forget to hashtag Beach Tribe.
Yes, or Mountain Tribe.
So we'll be putting more details out on our social media. So be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at EnjoyTheJourney.Life.
And subscribe below because we will have more details coming up about this event as well as the giveaways. And whatever tribe you're on, thanks so much for being on our tribe, EnjoyTheJourney.Life.
What?
I thought you were wanting to say something.
Nope, didn't want to say anything. We cannot wait to hang out with you guys in Tampa this month.
Yeah, we'll see you on the 25th. Bye, guys.
Bye.